Nested if blocks appearing inside another if block, there is no limit to the depth of nested if. For example, we have if condition and then we have another if condition inside the first if condition. So here is the syntax. If condition, then if condition, that COBOL statements, and if and if. So let's do the practical and go to the mainframe. So for nested if, we will write a new program. Let's go to the member where we write a COBOL program. The program name would be nested if. So we are inside the member nested if where we write we'll write a COBOL program. So we started column 8 writing a COBOL program. So first is identification, division. Then we have program ID, nested if. Then we have environment, division. Then we have data, division. Then we have working storage section. Under the working storage section, we'll declare one variable which we will use in our nested if conditions. WS number pick 9 of 2 value 0. Then we have procedure, division, display, nested if practical. Verify if condition if WS no one is equal 0. Display WS no one is 0. Else if. So guys, we have defined one more, we'll define one more if condition which we call as nested if inside the if. Okay, so if WS no one is greater than 10. Display WS no one is greater than 10. Else display WS num 1 is less than 10. Stop. So guys, we have written one COBOL program for nested if. So we have defined one if condition. Num1 is equal to 0. So we are displaying num1 is 0. Otherwise, we have defined one more if condition inside this if. If num1 is greater than 10, then we are displaying. Else we are displaying number is less than 10. Save this program and let's compile. Go to compile JC library, compile. Our program name is nested if. This is source library and this is the load library. Let's submit the job. Go to install. So our job ran successfully with return code 00. Let's run the program. Go to run JC. Program name is nested if. Let's submit the job. The job is submitted. Let's go to the export. Our program executed successfully with return code 00. And we can see the this out message. WS num1 value is 0, which is expected. Because the value is 0, so this condition becomes true. And if we need to execute this, then we need to change the value. Let's give the value 20. Save the program. So if the value is 20, then this this condition would be true and this would be displayed greater than 10. Let's compile the job. This is our source program and this is our source program and this is our load library. Let's submit the job. Our program compiled successfully with return code 00. Let's execute. This is our program name and this is our load library. Let's submit the job. So our job executed successfully with the return code 00. Let's see the output messages. So see, the WS_num1 is greater than 10. That means we have executed if inside the if, which is we called as nested if. Let's change the value to 05. That means this display message would come on the screen. Let's save the program. Let's compile first. We have submitted compile job. Let's go to the spool. Program ran successfully with return code 00. Let's execute. This is a source load library and this is a program name. Let's submit the job. Go to the spool. See, so our program ran successfully with return code 00. Let's see the output message. So see, the num1 is less than 10 because we have changed the value to 5, which is correct. So we have executed nested if conditions. We have defined this if condition and this if inside the parent if and executed the job. That's all about this lecture. We will meet in the next one. Thank you.